on and off stage and originally given away to a friend when Presley was called up to join the American Army in 1958. Well, Sarah, they're in very good condition, aren't they?
They are, aren't they?
How's the
very
weather
well
looking?
survived.
How's the weather looking for this weekend?
Well, we've got some cooler conditions to come this weekend. We've had quite cloudy skies today, but first thing this morning, our weather watcher Kurt caught a little bit of blue. And look at this scene as the cloud came in here at Branksome. Thank you to Mark for that one. We have had cloudier skies through the remainder of today, but very gradually through this evening, the cloud beginning to melt away. And as we look ahead to tonight, we'll start to see those skies clearing. And that sets us up for a pretty decent start to the weekend. Saturday brings us a good deal of dry and bright weather. So through this evening then, we've got largely clear skies developing through that overnight period. As a result, we do see those temperatures taking a bit of a knock down to 8 or 9 degrees in our towns and cities. And in more rural spots, perhaps a touch cooler. You can just see that wave of cloud, which is what's going to make very steady progress through the weekend, south and eastwards. So tomorrow morning, a bright and fine start to the day. For Saturday, the cloud nudging its way south and eastwards by day, perhaps a little bit of patchy rain attached to it, but in the most part, it's a dry affair and still pleasantly warm. Our temperatures up to around 23, maybe 24 degrees. Now, your inshore waters for Selseybill to Lyme Regis, valid from midday tomorrow through until midday on Sunday. The winds will be variable, becoming west or southwest, then veering northwest 2 to 4, and the sea state will be smooth or slight. On ahead to tomorrow evening, and we start with largely clear skies, but we will soon see a weather front sinking southwards. We have got some rain attached there, and temperatures a little higher than they'll be tonight. So we're looking at lows of between 11 and 14 degrees. A few showers in the picture to get the day started on Sunday, but that front is eventually going to leave us, and we're set for a pretty dry day once we get rid of those showery spells. Sunday looks to be pretty cloudy with some brighter spells on and off through the course of the day. So let's take a look through the summary for the next few days. You can see on Saturday those temperatures are up again into the mid-20s, feeling pleasantly warm, lots of sunshine on the cards. We will see that cloud building and there's a chance of some patchy rain. Some sharp showers possible on into Sunday, but it looks like it will be brighter later in the day. A front arrives with us on Monday and we do see a bit of showery rain and it's feeling cooler as well. Angela.
Sarah, now I have a question for you. Come over here. Do you love it or hate it?
Oh, well, that would be telling, wouldn't it?
Well, we'll have some of this and find out later. Because, as you know, the iconic brand famously divides opinions between those who love it and those who loathe it.
And now David Walker from Ferndown in Dorset is auctioning off a huge collection of Marmite memorabilia for true lovers of that yeasty, sticky, salty goodness. And as Simon Marks reports, it's all for the love of his late wife and to raise money for charity.